And ArtistForce is very interesting to me because, you know, the whole markets are fascinating and markets are sticky, but the net really allows people to connect on a much better basis. So that's something like what they're doing. So
something like what we're doing.
Are you ready?
I think I am.
Okay, we got the clock ready to start. Where's Miles? All right, let's go.
Perfect. Well, hi, I'm Jonathan Romley, and I'm actually the founder of ArtistForce. So thanks for having me. ArtistForce is a relationship management platform, and let's go like this instead. Can we? I don't have a demo guy with me. I should have brought a demo guy. As the clock is ticking. Okay, anyway, so we're a web-based relationship management platform and professional marketplace for live entertainment. So our customers are venues, like you know, venues, promoters, talent buyers, venue managers, but also artists, their agents, and managers as well. So the easiest way to really explain what this is to jump in and show you. So I just logged in here as a venue. This is kind of a little bit of a CRM kind of vibe to it, right? Let's turn like this. And you know, you've got sort of total offers and volume by month, booking pipeline, and this is sort of your business at a glance if you're a talent buyer, right? Because if this is your business right now, you have nothing like this. Most companies that are doing anything are using FileMaker or some internal access database driven kind of thing, and nobody's connected, right? So there's 4 or 5 people involved in a deal, and by the time you get done, it's a mess. So let's jump right into here, and I'll just kind of give you an idea of how we work and how you can make an offer. So there is sort of this network and community element to it, but you know, we're real sort of strong in it being a professional network. We've got an agreement with Billboard and Nielsen Business Media. We have 25 years of industry data that drives the back end, and we're actually also developing business intelligence applications based on that as well. So I can come in here and I can search for artists. I can see active artists, active industry people, but just to make this quick, let's pull up a demo artist. So everybody has a profile in the system. All of the agents, like if I'm an agent, you're going to see who I represent. If you're an artist, you're going to see who represents me. So here's this. We'll jump in and you'll see the artist profile. So rather than like a social media profile where it's like, oh, I've got 500 friends and all these people think I'm really cool, this is like, this is who my manager is, this is who my agent is, and you know, pay me money. So we'll jump in here. I can actually go and I can listen to music that was uploaded or watch video. There's a news feed, so I guess you have, you know, that, and you can subscribe to an RSS feed of it. You can post that. Tour schedule, we create tour data, but we also have, again, that relationship with Billboard and Nielsen to bring it in. So anyway, let's just go ahead and make an offer. The way that this would be done right now is I would build this in Excel, or I would build it in Word, or I would send you an email that would say, oh, I'm going to pay you $2,500 for you to perform at this place on this date. If the speed of the internet would increase, we would visit the page where we could make an offer. Or is it us? It's one of those things where you're never really sure. Are we fucked or not? I can't tell. All right, so we can make an offer. We'll make an offer, and we got 1 minute and 45 seconds left. Well, you know, let's say we wanted to make an offer for $500 for this act. It's going to expire at the end of this month. The show title is SF New Tech. And I guess the whole purpose of making this offer, right, is right now this would be made in a way that's disconnected and you don't have a way to negotiate it. So what's going to happen is I'm going to make this inquiry. Now, as the venue, I mean, yeah, I saw who the agent was. Oh, we got a little problem here. Okay. What did I do? The show date has to be after the expiration date of the offer. Wow. All right. How about that? So anyway, I didn't even have to look up, oh, boy. Okay, well, hey, you know, the thing is though, is we prompt that up that says the artist is asking for $2,500 and you've just offered them $500. So think about it before you waste your time. So we've got the offer in here. It says unread. Now what I'm able to do as a venue, right now I'd have to track all of this. So I can go in and real quickly as we run out of time here, I will, I'll log in as an artist and you'll see that I can, oh, actually we'll log in as the agent for the artist. So this is the tricky thing about demoing this application. It's really meant for many people to be involved in the process as it is now in the industry. So it kind of requires logging in and out. So you'll see that I've come in, I've got all of my deals, I've got this offer right here that was just created by the demo venue. Again, right now this would have been faxed or emailed over. There's no connection. So now I can basically send a message, I can edit the offer, we can go back and forth on this. I can accept the deal, decline it, or release it to the artist if that's the agreement that I have with them. Oh, 6 seconds. Okay, well anyway, once we agree on it, I can actually go in and I can manage it as a booking, we can manage the settlement and expenses, we can generate contracts and documents, and I guess I'm done. And you know, again, every time I demo this, it starts to look like a social network because I never get to the software part of it. Fuck it.
Cool.